Let's continue our journey with information systems. Weapon here from Learning Reel. Glad to see you here again in this series of videos. Hope you are finding it useful. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Learning Reel. Let's learn more about how information is stored in a computer system and in general within an organization. So let's start. Computer storage allows you to access and store your applications, operating system, and files for an indefinite period of time. Computers use a variety of data storage devices that are classified in two ways. One is whether they retain the data if there is no electricity, and the other is how close they are to the processor, nothing but central processing unit or CPU. Both types of storage are needed in all computers. In a personal computer, memory does not retain data when the electricity is off, but while it is on, it enables quick access to open files. A storage device, however, allows you to permanently store data, so it is available each time you turn on the computer. Now, the first classification of computer data storage is between volatile and non-volatile storage. An example of volatile storage is memory or RAM that stores data only until there is no electricity powering the devices. RAM allows your computer to have multiple files open and access any of them instantly. Some other examples of volatile storage devices you can think of is calculators. Non-volatile storage is, on the other hand, is a storage that maintains the data even when there is no electricity powering the device. An example is a hard disk drive, HDD, or a solid state drive, SSD, that holds all the data saved to your computer. There's another non-volatile storage such as DVDs or flash drives. Computer data storage devices are also classified by their distance from the processor, as I said before. Just primary storage and secondary storage. The closest storage is memory or RAM. This is the only kind of data storage that directly accesses the CPU. Memory includes processor registers and processor cache, but these are included on the memory module. Memory is volatile storage, so any information that goes into memory needs to be written to the main storage device to be retained permanently. Because data flows from memory to storage device, it's considered secondary storage. So I've given some examples here. There are some of the older secondary storage devices available, like magnetic tape and the floppy disk and so on. But I'm not going to talk about it, but these are not being used as this point of time. So for most personal computers, a secondary storage is the main storage device. Hard disk drive or solid state drive holds all of the data like files, photos, programs, music, and movies that the user wants to keep. Removable external media storage devices such as flash drives or thumb drives and read-writable CDs, DVDs are also secondary storage. Now, external flash memory like thumb drive, you may call it as a pen drive or a USB drive, and memory cards replace most magnetic and optical media as it becomes cheaper because of the more efficient and reliable way of doing things. Various factors such as the media, architecture, capacity, addressing, reliability, and performance influence the choice and use of storage devices in an enterprise environment. For example, disk drives and SSDs are used for storing business critical information that needs to be continually accessible to applications. Magnetic tapes and optical storage are typically used for backing up and archiving data, which you don't need it so often, right? In enterprise environments, information is typically stored on storage systems, storage arrays. A storage system is a hardware component that contains a group of homogeneous or heterogeneous storage devices that are assembled within a cabinet. These enterprise class Storage systems are designed for high capacity, scalability, performance, reliability, and security to meet business requirements. The compute system that run business applications are provided storage capacity from storage systems. Organizations typically house their infrastructure, including computer systems or compute systems rather, storage systems and network equipment within a data center. I will talk about data center, an integral part of the IT infrastructure, in the upcoming video. Have a great time until we meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.